Morning, guys. It is Sunday morning and I am at Queen Anne Coffee Co. right now, and I ordered an iced vanilla latte. I haven't taken a sip yet. They also are famous for their cinnamon rolls here, which is actually the purpose of my visit, but I'm gonna get one to go and take it to Kerry Park with me, which is about a 10-11 minute walk from here, and I've actually never been before, so you and I will experience it together. But I wanted to do a little taste test of the latte. That's tasty. It's really good. I'll link this place down below for you. They also have a bookstore directly next door, and I'm so sorry, there's been so many, I'm not that sorry, but there's been so many bookstores in Seattle. Has a ton, and they're really cute. This one's called Queen Anne Book Company, and it's an all new bookstore, not a used bookstore at all, but it looks really, really cute. And then I'm gonna walk over to Kerry Park, and then we're gonna attempt to visit Ballard and Fremont again today, and it is about 11:30 right now, and I'm hoping to be able to squeeze all of that in, but I will keep you guys obviously updated on the journey. Also, I hope you can hear me. I do have my mic out, but it is pretty loud in here, so that's the update I have for you at the moment. I'm also charging my phone and my second camera battery right now, just because I'm already down to 70% on my phone, and we still have a lot of exploring to do, so I've just been using my map a lot. I took the bus and the train this morning, so I left about 9:30 from Ashton's house. It is Monday today. She's working, and I actually took the day off to spend some more time exploring Seattle, so we're gonna do that together. I am outside at the coffee shop, and really cute. It's very nice. Today is a beautiful day, and I think I'm gonna get a cinnamon roll to go to take to Kerry Park, so that is my plan at the moment. I'm gonna order it after the bookshop because I don't want to carry it while looking at books, you know, practicality. I just wanted to say good morning, hello, and I'm excited for our adventure day today. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Literally, the coffee shop is right here. The bookstore is right here. I was not kidding. They're right next to each other. I just got a couple of postcards. We're gonna walk over to Kerry Park right now, and the sweet lady that rung me up also gave me a recommendation for a really cool house. And then I also read online that Meredith Grey's house from Grey's Anatomy is over near Kerry Park, like a pretty close walk, so I'm gonna try and see that as well. So let's go. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. That's This is Meredith Grey's house from Grey's Anatomy. They filmed all the exterior shots here. The interior shots were filmed at like a set, but this is the exterior, and I asked the owner, he was out here, I asked him if I could take some photos and video, and he said that was fine. So anyways, really fun to see it if you're a Grey's fan. Love that. My outfit of the day, my top is from TJ Maxx. I'm just wearing my Apple Watch, and then this I thrifted a long time ago. I just think it's so springy and fun. And then I have my gigantic, like, oversized bag from Target, and then I'm wearing these Abercrombie & Fitch shorts, and then just ugly tennis shoes because I'm walking a lot today, so I wanted to make sure I was nice and comfy. I hope you can hear me. There's like a bunch of construction and stuff happening. This is definitely a neighborhood, but even I'm still outside the Grey's Anatomy house, but the whole rest of the neighborhood's really cute too. It would be really cute just to take like a little walk through, and like I said, it's right near Kerry Park, and it was only about a 10-minute walk from the coffee shop that I went to. Really nice through a neighborhood. And then, like I said, from Kerry Park to the house, it's only about a 3-minute walk. So I recommend that's like a perfect little thing. I would give yourself like a couple hours to do all those things. You definitely don't need a whole day. There is other things to explore here in Queen Anne area. It's really cute. It's very like neighborhoody and quiet, and definitely a suburb of Seattle. They also have a diner that looked really good. It's called 5 Spots, I believe. I'll link it down below. And it looked like they'd won a bunch of awards and stuff. So I had already planned on getting food at the coffee shop. Otherwise, I might have stopped there at the little diner because it looked really good and it was definitely popular. There was a lot of people there. Maybe make a reservation if you can. But that is that. And yeah, I think I'm gonna order an Uber. Just time wise, it's gonna take like 45 minutes or more on public transportation. And if I get an Uber, it'll be a bit quicker. And I'm kind of running out of time. It's like 1:06 right now, and I think I have about until 5. I'm trying to decide if I want to go to Ballard and then Fremont, or if I want to go straight to Fremont. There was a second coffee shop I really want to try, especially because my coffee got a fly in it, and that's disgusting. I kind of want to go back to Fremont and walk around those shops there. I have been at this coffee shop, which I will put the name on the screen right here because I don't know how to pronounce it, but the coffee's been great. I had an iced vanilla latte and I just added some cinnamon on top and it was delicious, really, really good. And I've been sitting here journaling for honestly probably an hour, if not like maybe a little bit more. I've written like 5 or 6 pages in the little journal that I picked up at Mochi Things the other day. I didn't bring my journal with me, which was so silly. I just forgot to bring it. But I just have been having such an itch to write. I've been writing some tidbits in there, kind of thoughts about my trip and just life lately and all that. I believe I already said that I'm in the Fremont area, which I came to the other day. That's where the Fremont Stroll is. And it's where we went to Schilling's and got pizza, but came back because we didn't have a lot of time to explore. I may meet up with my friend Christina again tonight for maybe dinner and or a drink, but I'm not sure. Ashton, like I said earlier in this video, is not feeling super great today, so I don't think she's going to come meet me after work, which she was planning on, but I think she's going to pass on that and stay home and get a little rest, which is totally understandable. I'm trying to just like slow down and enjoy the day a little bit. This area is so cute. There's Ophelia's Books and a record store right next door, and they have some prints I want to look at, which are really cute. There's also a vintage shop that I'm looking at down the street right here, so I definitely want to explore some of these shops. This area in Fremont is really, really adorable. But that's my update. I'm gonna stop yapping and show you guys what I get up to, but I also have the cinnamon roll that I got at the last coffee shop, so I might have a couple bites of that. I also don't want to get back too late today because I still have to repack my suitcase and I leave in the morning, unfortunately. So I fly out of Seattle at like 10:10 and I get back to Oakland at like I think 12:30. So let's go to the record store next.
It's not over, yeah. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. You said the last kiss was the last kiss. Make it hard for you to leave. We're telling secrets in between the sheets. I don't want you to leave. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over, yeah. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time.
Guys, I'm currently at the Fremont Vintage Mall. There's so much to see in here. You kind of like go in the door and go downstairs a bit, and then there's a ton of vendors, it's like huge. It is a little visually overstimulating, as I'm sure you can see from the clips, but it is really neat. I highly recommend if this is your kind of thing. Like, I love looking through stuff like this. Unfortunately, I don't really have much room in my suitcase, and since I'm in the middle of moving right now, I don't really need anything. Plus, I need to figure out how I'm gonna like redecorate my new space. But there's like one postcard that I might pick up and use in my gallery wall. I did pick up a couple things at Jive Time, the record store that I was just at, but this is a really cool spot, especially if you have a lot of time to like sift through everything. It's like 4 p.m. now, and it's really close, like in downtown, like Fremont area. All the places that I've showed you so far are like literally within a block of each other. There's still some other shops I want to explore, and it's a little warm in here. I'm feeling a little overstimulated, so I might head out soon. But it is very cool, and I highly recommend coming. And there's just something for everybody, so very fun.
Standing underneath the lights, looking to each other's eyes.
Mark got hit by a car once.
Guys, we're at Hozier right now at the baseball stadium, and I'm so excited. You can see the view of the city in the background. We just took a couple pictures. We're up in the 300s, so we're gonna walk over there right now, but I'm so excited.
Good in there.